Hello everyone, my name is Tony Trương. I'm the CEO of the Venetian, and I welcome you to our another edition of the Venetian family to Houston, Texas. We are currently here doing a grand opening. We have quite a bit of a turnout today. This is a really unique design of the space. My goal is to have an open concept, open salon, instead of a separate pedicure room, which we don't have the width of the salon. So we put it all together in one area. Texas is a little different. All the customers request to do a same-time service, so we have more pedicure chair than the manicure station. If you can see all the high-end pedicure chair, they have all the functions like Gulfstream that made for us, customized for us. So as you can see, very comfortable. They have arm massage, arm rest, and the pedicure chair from Gulfstream.
Hi, I'm Brianna, and I found the Venetian because I live in the area. I'm enjoying this massage chair, like massages from the width and up and down and under my bottom, so it's very comfortable. And I'm excited about my pedicure and my nails.
We saw the Instagram ad, and so me and my sister and my mom came. We all got pedicures. We're about to get a manicure. The chair was great. We got mimosas, and it's just a good time in here. Yeah, we did the massage on it. It did like my legs and my back. It felt really good.
The massage chairs are actually so nice. They massage you from the bottom as well as the back. They're very comfortable. There's a wireless charger on this side for your phone, so you can charge your phone, you know, while you're sitting here getting your pedicure. Everybody's been really nice and offering us drinks every time they're walking past us, so it's been a really great experience.
Another important fact that we go with Gulfstream, and is the OneJet. These are disposable. So after the particular service the customer use, they just dispose the jet. We don't reuse the jet anymore. So this is very light, very convenient. So you can take this out in front of the customer after we use, we just throw it away. So very convenient for OneJet from Gulfstream. I think that should be a quick wrap, a tour of the salon, and I appreciate your time to watch this video, and thank you for welcoming us to another addition to the Houston family.